the airport. We're at the airport with Peter. With Benita.
She's sleeping though.
God damn, boy. Say hi. We are booking. We are going to Thailand. And look,
We're over here.
this is us. Where is it? Yeah.
Don Mueng.
QZ252 Dongwon. And yeah. So we're gonna spend 3 days in Thailand.
Kita di situ 5 hari atau itu kita di situ sampai 1.
Really?
Ya, atau Saturday. Itu 1 hari.
Who on earth is
One
that?
day.
Who on earth is that motherfucker? Oh shit. And yeah, we're gonna go to the airport soon enough. I am literally a little bit excited. A little bit excited. I don't know. You excited? Oh yes, we have candy, bro. Okay, Aries. I don't even need that because I have my own candy. Oh yeah, guys, we got some candy. Let's see, Beta. Can I see?
Yeah, there's Mentos. There's tiny Mentos.
Whoa, party pack.
There's tiny Mentos.
Beta, show them what you got in there.
I got Mentos.
Wait. Let me see. Let
I
the
got
viewers.
Mentos and I got lollipops.
Wow. I have Fox. It's inside of here, the Fox.
This looks like
Our home a little, right?
I have flying olives too.
It's like, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
I have a lot of snacks here. You want to use your ice cream?
I will just eat my thing. I know the camera's glitching, or I don't know. Fuck it.
Where's the last one?
Yeah, why is it oily? Alright guys, peace out.